Hey everybody. Happy Thursday. So I'm sorry about Schoology. It turns out that it is not working very well, as I'm sure you guys have all been kind of frustrated with. I know it's really frustrating for us as well, so just bear with us. So we kind of just found a way around it today. I'm sorry that it's already like 10:15 and you didn't really get a chance to start earlier in the morning. So just please try to do it as best you can. So what I did is I basically just shared your role with you. So you'll just go to your Google Drive. You can click on this link. It'll take you to Google Drive. From there, you just click shared with me, or you can type roleplay in the search bar. So you'll click shared with me. It won't show up on mine because I made it, so I didn't share it with myself, but you'll go to shared with me, and then it should be one of the first things up there. It should look like this, roleplay, whatever role you have, it'll say. So you'll open it up, and then basically just do what you're supposed to do yesterday. Read through it, do the perspective writing, 2 journal entries from your person's perspective. So hopefully that should work better. When you're done with that, when you open it up, so you only have access to view it. So you will have to open it. And make your own copy so that you can actually edit it. So you'll click File, make a copy, and that should create a copy for you. You could name it copy of roleplay is fine, or you could just do your first name, first and last name. And if you click share with the same people, it should automatically share it with me. So you wouldn't have to share it again. If you don't do that, when you finish it, you'll click the share button and then just share it with me. So just type in my email. It's up there on the checklist, meyerd@apps.district279.org. So if there's any questions, feel free to email me. Jump on my office hours are starting pretty quick here. And I got a ton of emails yesterday from you guys trying to get on it, so I really do appreciate just the work you guys are putting in and the effort you're putting towards this, and that you're all taking this seriously. I know it's weird because it's just this week, then we have spring break, and then a couple more weeks, but we really do appreciate it. You guys are really, really doing a great job, honestly. So I was super impressed with all the work I've seen so far and how many of you are just getting on and doing all of it and reaching out when you have problems. Is really, really great. So keep it up. And yeah, let me know if you guys need anything.